Got a little bit of CRKT knives. People ask me to do a little bit of unboxing of them. I think there's about 14 of them from the beginning right here. Pretty easy to open. I have unboxed quite a few unique ones. Okay, a lot of them will be very cheap, a lot of them will be much more expensive. Wow, this is strange. This is like half a handle over here. But yeah, pretty beautiful, but it is so uncomfortable. Look at that, we're missing half a handle. But yeah, it's still nice. How do we close it? Do we just close it by pulling it? Oh, okay, we just pull this up. That is so unique. Let me show it to you. You see this right here? I never seen anything like that. This should be weirdest knife ever made. You can open it like that pretty easily, close it with two hands. Some of them are taped, some of them won't. More tape over here. Wow, another unique folder over here. Let's see how it works. First of all, hold it like that. Wow, that's long one. Beautiful, smooth. I like that. With Gerbers, I had a little bit of trouble opening them. This one is pretty nice and easy. Okay, how do we close it? I guess you pull it like that. Pretty much similar like last one. You see, right here. Whole thing comes up and two hands, I guess. Open it like that. Boom. Pretty long knife over here. Beautiful. Okay, one more time. Two hands for sure, to be safe. Weirdest knife ever made could have been. Wow, I thought I was run out of ideas on weird knives. Apparently not even close. Should title it CRKT Weirdest Knives Ever. Okay, bottle opener. Okay, I see something nice. I love this right here. Nice. Flips out very, very good. I do not like that it makes this noise. Need a little bit of oil or something. But yeah, beautiful knife. What do you guys think? By edge. See if I can open it like that. Too small for me. I almost got it. There you go. But if I was me, I'd be using this one every time. Pretty cool. Next. Wow, this knife is wiggly. Okay, that one is kind of nice. I think this one was more expensive, but I bought them all on Amazon. Just went into their page and got them. M402. Oh yeah, this is assisted. Very easy to open it and close it. Is that how you close it? Let's see. Ah, missed it. Yep, right here. Carlson design. Beautiful. I like how it thickens and points out. Very nice pocket knife. Definitely feeling the spring in there. Oh. Wow, fast. I need to get my skill going with this thing right here, opening it. But yeah, I get tired so quickly after a while I can't open it anymore. Look at that dent on my finger. Anyways, I'll get better. Let's see what we got here. Carbon fiber, is that what it's called? Huh. Wow, this is actually cool. It's a thick one. Almost like a pry knife right here. Whoa, can't even see it. Beautiful. I really like it how thick the handle is for my big hand. Very, very thick pocket knife for many, many different uses. Okay. Let's see if we can open it. Doesn't flick out, it's more like slowly. Kinda like it right here. It assists you a little bit, so you can use it with two hands. Or you can do it one hand slowly like that. But yeah, I really love that broken off edge looking knife. That's my favorite. Square knives, pretty awesome. Okay, there's a bigger one. CRKT, this one is nice. Doesn't have a name? Oh, not really. Little bit scarves over here, and it should be brand new. But yeah, there's a name of it. M2114G US Pattern Carson Design. And look at that. There's a safety maybe? What is this? I don't know, maybe. Ooh. Nice. Was that a safety? I have no idea. We'll see it in a second. Let me just show it off to you. Another pretty cool knife. This side here, serrated knife edge. Is that what it's called? And again, kind of thick and thickening over here. Kind of skinny here, thickening over here, and points out. Pretty nice design. Big knife. I like it. Okay, how do we close this? Very carefully. Okay, right here. I guess I'd have to pull on that to let it close. Do you see? There's a safety to close it. Pretty interesting. Very easy to open it, but to close it, you press it right here and then fold it. So you need like two hands. Press it, press here, fold it. That's another, could be weirdest knife ever made. But yeah, I love it. Very nice knife right here. Press it, close it. I think that one was a little bit more expensive, but who knows. You guys can look up the prices online. Ooh, nice skinny one. Carbon fiber again. Scale looking knife, like fish scale. I mean, very square. Some people like this one. Wow, look at that flicker right here. Unique. Okay, let's see if I can do it. Wow, it is assisted easily. I love that. It's like a fish cutter or something, you know, fish gutter. That is so cute. And there's a name for it. What does it say? CEO. Love that little logo over here. Wow. I'm in love. Skinny pointy knives. Very nice. Square knife like that. Could be my first one, I don't remember. So how do we close this? Do we kind of have to put our finger in there one more time? Wow. How do we open it? There you go. Not the most comfortable for me with my big hands. But to close it, you really have to stick your finger in there. Okay, one more time. Good practice for me. Ah, missed it. One last time. Boom. Wow, flies out like crazy. Almost easier to do it with one hand, I mean two hands. But I wouldn't do it with two hands because it's assisted, it will fly out. There you go, I'm getting better at it. There you go, boom. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Definitely one of my favorite CRKTs right here. Very unique. Okay, we keep going. Let's see what we got here. Another half a knife over here. Looks like I cannot cut myself, that's good. Okay, how do we open this? Just like that. Nice. I really like that blade over here. Very thick but sharp. What do you guys think? There's a name of it. KISS Helen Design 5500. Beautiful. Okay, how do we close it now? That is the question. Oh, the closing actually very easy. Pull on this thing and boom, two hands. one hand easily opening and one hand pretty easily closing too. Wow, very nice. Okay, what else? Oh, that's kind of cool. Carbon fiber again. Different style of it. Okay, this is easy. I think you gotta give a little flick. There you go. Okay, one more time. Boom. Actually have to flick it quite a bit. Booth design. Very interesting. One more time. Let's see if it flicks out good. Nope. Maybe I have to loosen up the screw or something. But there you go. But I don't like to fling it so hard. I don't want it to let go and hit somebody. Okay, a few more left. Let's finish this video with some cool knives. Hopefully. Wow, pretty nice. Slick. What is that? Dual knife over here? Whoa! Another skinny knife over here. Wow. I like how this handle over here curves out back. Pretty interesting. What do you guys think? Wow, this pulls out so much. Check this out pretty easily. But there's the name of it. Swindle Can Onion Design. Ooh, I love how easy it is to flip it open. And easy to close it. And there's a leg guard over here, so I would close it. I can't really do it next to the guards because it's kinda in a way. Boom. I guess the biggest complaint would be, you see this edge over here, the knife edge. Do not stick your finger in there because you might cut it. You can almost see it. It's kinda not safe. So maybe they should have done either knife skinnier, because if I put my finger over here, I could feel the blade. So if I would put it all the way and slide it, I probably would cut myself. By the way, this side here is a clip. Pretty awesome. Very unique clip. I never seen a clip like that. So it goes into your pocket and stays like that. Hold it. Just a couple more left. See what this one is about. Let's see how this one works. Boom. Beautiful. I put some fingerprints on it already. M16-03KS Carlson design. What do you guys think? Pretty cool. Okay, couple more. Oh wow, this one comes with one of those, I don't know, necklace or something. So this is maybe a neck knife. The way it works, you pull it like that and flip it all the way out. So let's try this one more time. You see, like this, and flip it all the way in. So kind of like two-hand flipper. Boom. What do you guys think? That's a beautiful knife though. That's a weirdest knife ever made for sure. Comfortable. I really like that flat blade almost with the edge like that. Very cool. Definitely two-handed way to close it and open it. I'd be very careful, especially right here. Hold it like that so that way it doesn't get you. You see what I'm saying? Very unique knife. This is gonna be in my weirdest knives collection. And the last one, let's see what I got here. Oh, this one is a neck knife. Comes with the stings and everything. This is my first neck knife. Or there is a clip. You can put it over your neck or something, over your t-shirt neck. or you can put it in your pocket, I guess, too. But comes off like that. Check this out. It looks like one of those mini cleavers. So tiny. You know I'm talking about, the one that you have in the kitchen. And this handle is so tiny. I was wondering if it's going to fit my thick fingers, and it feels really good. Wow, this is so cute. My first neck knife. There's a brand of it. Minimalist flat design, 2033. Wow, this is so cool. Okay, how do we put it away? Probably this way. Boom, nice. By the way, a really thick blade, but very, very sharp. Love it. Anyways, let me know in comments below which knife was your favorite.